Maria's waiting, she doesn't know what for, but she knows there might be something more. There are malcontents queuing at her door as she's picking herself off the floor. Maria's got a problem, every night's the same, and the malcontents are singing there, calling out her name. The bells are ringing, the ones inside her brain just adding fuel to the flames. But you had me at hello, you had me at hello, just took a second for the spark to grow, and in that moment you were everything I know. It must be something, you had me at hello. Maria's hoping for something to change, for all the atoms in her body to rearrange these chance collisions and dreams that we exchange. Love's currency is strange, but you had me at hello, you had me at hello, just took a second for the spark to grow, and in that moment you were everything I know. It must be something, you had me at hello. Redemption in the hands of love, a timely intervention from above, but no one mentions the hand that's in the glove, always ready when push comes to shove. And you had me at hello, you had me at hello, just took a second for the spark to grow, and in